Mayapat gat panapon kay kayo, and 4 games down. We're down to the final 2 games dito po sa ating Delta Cup second day of elimination. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Ako po inyong lingkod, Ryan Power po lamang. Featured game for today, we have Santo Tomas and Floridablanca, 2 teams na hindi pa nakapaglalaro, and later on at nightcap, mamaya makikita nyo ang Team Lubao. We're just gonna recap the scores that we have from the past few games. First game kanina, nanalo ang Santa Ana laban sa Masantol, 76-69. Second game, nanalo po ang Mexico laban sa Apalit, 85-81. Third game, nanalo ang Minalin laban sa Candaba to the tune of 65-64. That's an upset. And fourth game, katatapos lang, 89-72, a big win by San Simon. Let's turn you over now to our center court as we about to jump. Floridablanca wearing in white and Santo Tomas wearing in green. And of course, batiin lang natin ang ating mga distinguished guest for this afternoon. For the Mayor of Municipality of Santo Tomas, Honorable John Sambo is in attendance. And Honorable Vice Mayor of Santo Tomas, we have Honorable Matias Pineda. And also, the Municipal Councilor of Floridablanca, Honorable Darren Manalansan. First possession for Santo Tomas. A miss from the 3-point region. Floridablanca. Kaya nasabi ko kanina, nakaputi. Love play now. Here's the drive. Naantala. Nagawan. Bernie Weber is Santo Tomas. And that's a first basket courtesy of number 30 of Santo Tomas. We draw first blood in this ball game, 2-0. They swing it around inside. The turnaround, Capos. Mercado, easy track on the rebound for Santo Tomas. Actually, Santo Tomas is just a border of San Fernando City. Corner flip. It bounces out and there's a whistle. It's a foul on Mercado. First foul on Mercado. And the first team foul for Santo Tomas. And on the other side of the court, Serrano misses from 3-point region. Thomasan nagtitimon para sa Santo Tomas. Play number 5. 10 on the shot clock. Lyson rather. Inside play. Whoop, whoop, whoop. May tawag ng referee. Referee scoring inside very early. Headed by referee Jong Banayad Jr. So follow number 11 para sa Floridablanca.
The shot clock. Lawson.
Take a look at this in slow-mo replay. Yun. Huling-huli. 14 on the shot clock. From the baseline. Lyson pops out. 3 to shoot on the shot clock. Oh! Foul na naman ng Floridablanca. There's the first personal on Serrano. Already the second team foul on Santo Tomas. Lyson brings it downtown for Santo Tomas. 9 to shoot. Oh! Lyson caught for Gravity. Okay, 25 left. Uy, nagpapa-shoutout dito. Ating mga kaibigan na nanonood ngayon sa live stream. Si Kervin Banayat, Andrea Nicole Banayat, and Kendra Elise Banayat. Baseline. The drop. Outside sniping para sa white shirts. Wala. So far, wala pa pong score ang Floridablanca after that miss by Malansala. Low scoring first quarter. 2 minutes gone by. 15 to shoot. Lyson momentarily open. Goes right. Pops out the jumper from 17. Malakas. Takbo na ngayon ng Floridablanca. Looking left, looking right. Now Serrano has it on the right side of the court. The turnaround. Manansala, knowing that Pahilan wants to steal that ball from behind, he throws it up and he will take 2 free throws. First personal for Pahilan, and that will be the third team foul
Serrano has it on
on
the
Santo
right side
Tomas
of
as
the
we see
court.
the slow-mo replay.
The
Yun,
turnaround,
huli. Basket will not count. Why? Because number 5 player, when he released that free throw, he steps on the free throw line. That's a free throw violation. So he needs to be careful. Ayan, medyo matras siya ng konti and he misses. Wala pa pong score ang Florida Blanca. Wasted opportunity. Pahilan. Top of the key. Lyson goes right. 12 to shoot. Lyson offers a pick, and that's a bone crunching pick. Another offensive foul. That will be against Mercado. His second. Yun. Sinignan ni Deputy Commissioner Toto Maykes. Second personal on Mercado. And already this 13 foul on Santo Tomas. Florida Blanca has 2 fouls. Oh, another case of traveling. So both squads incurred the traveling errors. 7:70 left in the first quarter. Santo Tomas and Florida Blanca blank in scoring. That 3-point shot rattles out at meron tayong foul sa ilalim. At ang matatawagan ay si
Number 24, pushing foul.
It's a foul on number 24 of Florida Blanca. And both teams now had 3 team fouls apiece. 10 to shoot. Lyson goes left. 5 on the shot clock. Pahilan, 3 to shoot. Lyson needs to put it up. Here it comes. Great deflection. Fast break opportunity. Serrano couldn't catch. That's too high. Oh, nagpapabati ang ating mga production team ngayon dito sa ating Delta Cup, headed by Direct Aldrin Alejo. Of course, cameraman Alex Trazo, Renato Balong Murano, Lance Sublime, Jetro Miguel, Renzi Medina, and Paulo Pabros. And likewise, our driver Luis Manabat. So thank you guys for this very industrious and hard working production team for this coverage of Delta Cup on our second day of competition. And of course, Delta Cup held here at BREN Convention Center every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Of course, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Tayag offers a pick. Looking for a first basket. Manansala drills a 3. Is that counted? It is counted. Now, sino matatawagan ng foul? The referees will signal it to the official. So, we'll be up against Florida Blanca. Take a look at this. Here's the 3-point made. Ayun! Ang tinawagan ay from Florida Blanca, number 24, simultaneous on that 3-point attempt. Boom! Ayun. Huling-huli. Second foul on number 24. Now, Florida Blanca. That will be the 14th foul. At least nakascore ng 3-point shot ang Florida Blanca. Low scoring first quarter, 6:16 left in the first quarter. 3-2 is our tally. Almost a steal. Baseline. The drop. The fake. Ooh. Fishing expedition doon ng Santo Tomas. And he will be rewarded with 2 free throws by Solis. 2 shots for him. Solis makes the first. Parang kamukha niya yung tatay ni Solis, Al Solis. Pero yung kamay niya, talagang you can see in his release. Just like Al Solis. But that time, that shot is nullified because of a lane violation. 4-3 is our tally. Counted pala. Counted kasi pumasok. That's nagkaroon ng lane violation. So that's counted. Correct that. In the meantime, Mentis doon sa loob, si Alvero. Tumatakbo ang Santo Tomas. Lyson from the left wing. Mahiti will signal play number 1. 14 to shoot for Santo Tomas. Looking for cutters. Lyson lets it go from 3-point distance. Short. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ang naka-berde. May foul sa ilalim. That will be a shove from behind.
From 3-point distance.
Alvero will be the culprit.
Rebound ako pa.
That's his first personal. A penalty situation now, Florida Blanca. So, new 5 on the floor for the white shirts. Okay, penalty situation na dapat. That's why they're buzzing in. It is 2 free throws. It is. And the referee goes to the center court. It will be 2 free throws on the offended party. Now, Mahiti will shoot 2 free throws with a 4.5-meter line. And of course, shout out din, of course, sa ating mga distinguished guests, Honorable John Sambo, Municipal Mayor, Municipality of Santo Tomas, Honorable Macias Pineda, Vice Mayor of Santo Tomas, and Honorable Darren Manalasan, Municipal Councilor of Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Five trees I count. Look at that. Almost made it. Alvero puts it up and in. Plus a foul to boot. Flexing its muscles.
Trees are count.
Look at this in slow-mo replay. Off the foul. And one. A foul doon si number 6 ng Santo Tomas. His first personal. Made basket. 6-5. 5:19 remaining in the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Both teams now in penalty. Right down the baseline. Nilabas ang bola. Mahiti. Tres sa corner. Kanto. Paborito. Wala. At ito na ang Florida Blanca. Unti-unti. Nakukuha nila ang momentum. Nakukuha nila ang rhythm. But they throw away an errant pass. And Santo Tomas capitalizing that miscue. 18 on the shot. Magandang agaw. Counter fast break. 1 against 2. He'll go for the layup and he will be fouled upstairs by Collis.
Magandang agaw.
Take a look at this in slow-mo replay. Ayun, sinabayan. Foul si Collis. Second personal.
And he will be fouled.
Alright, 2 free throws now for number 20. Para sa Florida Blanca. Very, very close encounter in this 5th game of 6. We still have 1 more game to play before we end this 6-game broadcast dito po sa BREN Convention Center. Para sa ating Delta Cup again, you're still watching the Pampanga Municipalities-CITIES Intertown Basketball Tournament Delta Cup, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. Watch us through our Facebook Live in Pampanga Public Information Office and also Sinag Liga as we see this hang time move. Ho-ho! Another highlight on the horizon for Santo Tomas. And on the other end of the floor, we have a foul. So both teams playing fast-paced. And of course, in attendance ang ating commissioner ng ating Delta Cup, Commissioner Leo Isaac. 4 minutes and 50 remaining in this first quarter. We are dead even at 7. That's our first stalemate of this ball game. At 2 free throws po para sa Florida Blanca. Mentis ang unang free throw. One more free throw for him. We're tied at 5. We're tied at 7 rather. Now 8-7, breaking the deadlock. 4:12 left sa ating first period. Tao-tao na ang depensa ng Florida Blanca, and they find that defensive scheme successfully. Salvador manning the charge on the defensive stance of Florida Blanca. However, we have a whistle from the backcourt. Time pito by referees. Take a look at this from the inbound play. Medyo hindi kita masyado sa ating instant replay nangyari.
However, we have
Maybe we can try that on the other angle direct kung pwede. But penalty situation in effect. Only no free throws have been made on that particular instant. Crossover, spin, turn, drop up. No, put back. Still in vain. Third effort. Baseline. Ilabas muna. They have 7 to shoot. Nabulabog na bitawan. Florida Blanca gets that ball back. So that's how you defend those quick Santo Tomasians. And now the green jerseys are pressing. Salvador missing from that press break. Lopez says that settle down. Salvador momentarily open. Right down the baseline. Drives hard. The hang time move by Salvador. Another highlight on the horizon. Both teams now has highlights in this first quarter. Salvador introducing himself into harness. 3:13 left in the first quarter. The lead is 3 points for Santo Tomas. 10 on the shot clock. They're looking for cutters. Here's the drive. Batted away. 3 to shoot. One-handed. No. And a rebound control. And the referee says, traveling. 14 on the shot clock. Take a look at this.
no.
Dalawa sila nag-agawan. Hindi nag-dribble. Ayun. Traveling. But after that, the instant replay, meron tayong illegal pick. Ayun. Sabi nating venue announcer, offensive foul on number 14 for Santo Tomas. 2:55 left. Ball slapped by Hipolito. It will stay in the backyard on Florida Blanca. 2:52 left in the first quarter. Okay, they need to cross on the front court. Otherwise, they will be slapped. Or was... Okay, sabi ng referee, nakatawid na daw sila. Alright. Sa front court. Baseline drive, Alfaro. Spin, Stern, sports it up. One-handed shot. Didn't drop. At ito na si Mahiti. Tumatakbo, nagtitimon. Inside pass, the reverse. No soak that time. Sloppy play, kind of sloppy. Salvador, the smallest guy on the floor. Eluding 3 defenders. Salvador with a pass to Lopez. That particular field goal could have bought the house down if he made that one, huh?
Number 14, pushing foul.
It's like a maze. Florida Blanca. Look at this. O pumasok yun, talagang magkakagulo dito ang mga nanonood dito sa BREN Convention Center. 2 minutes and 23 in the balance in the first quarter. Tan short. Nakahalo ng pagod ang player na ito sa Florida Blanca. Both teams in penalty. Very fast pace, but there's a lot of fouls and errors. As a youngster, you expect that. Paredes clears the board for the green shirts. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa first quarter, 2-17. We have a lot of fouls in this particular quarter. That time it's a rejection. And here's another fast break opportunity for Florida Blanca. Salvador with a Pinoy step. Oohs and ahs from the BREN crowd. A minute and 55. 10 to shoot now for Santo Tomas. Corner flip. Partially rejected. White shirts are up and running. Lopez. Finger ball. It's good. All right. The Santo Tomas team pressing the timeout buzzer. They are on a 7-point hold with 1:36 remaining. 14-7. One minute and 36 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Florida Blanca erecting a 7-point lead. Santo Tomas with the possession. Pahilan. His pass was slightly telegraphed. Will stay in the backyard of Santo Tomas. They have 18 seconds on the shot clock. The love. Partially deflected with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Oy, batiin natin ating whole production team dito sa Delta Cup, headed by Direct Alvin Alejo, cameraman Renato Balong Morano, Alex Trazo, Lance Sublay, Jetro Miguel, Renzi Medina, Luis Manabat, and Paulo Fabros. We are complete, and we have a 3-point shot converted there by Santo Tomas. It's a good timeout to call. It is down to 4. He's swinging around on the right wing. Here's Salvador. Letless guy on the floor. Uses quickness. Finds Layug. Too strong. Put back. It's there for the picking. 16-10. The lead is back to 6 for Florida Blanca. 39 ticks to go. We have a foul away from the ball. Both teams in penalty. Free throw time na naman.
Into the arm. 2-shot. Penalty.
Second personal on number 13. Lyson. Short on his first attempt. At the free throw line for Santo Tomas. Free throw is no good. .7 seconds. Both teams in penalty. The lead is 6 for Florida Blanca. Half a minute remaining in the balance of ating first quarter. Nice up fake. Here's Drina, 3-pointer. Bucket! Balik sa siya mga bante ng Florida Blanca. Final 17 seconds before we'll call it a quarter. Pahilan. That ball ramped away.
8 seconds.
Pero meron pa tayong 9.8 seconds on the game clock. Pahilan will inbound from the sideline. Looking for a pass. That's tight. Pahilan drives, bang bodies. Oh, great rejection. Oh, how the clock's not running. It's 5 seconds now. 5.2. Yeah.
5.2 seconds.
Medyo nauli lang oras. 5.2 seconds. That's the exact time remaining in the timepiece sa ating first quarter. Whoop! It's a 5-second inbound violation. That's rare.
Violation.
That's the first infraction in this particular game day. The White has a chance to increase the lead further. They're up by 9, 5 seconds ago. There's a tap. Almost taken away. It is a steal. 2 seconds ago. 1 second. And that should do it. All right. End of the first quarter. Florida Blanca 19. And Santo Tomas at 10. And of course, our production team, big shout out, of course, to our director, Aldrin Alejo. And of course, for our cameraman, Alex Traso. Ayaya. Of course, how we won't forget for our distinguished guest here that I mentioned a while ago. Of course, Honorable John Sambo, the Municipal Mayor for the Municipality of Santo Tomas, and Honorable Matias Pineda, Vice Mayor of Santo Tomas, and Municipal Councilor of Floridablanca, Honorable Darren Manalasan. Of course, our team, production team headed by Direk Aldin Alejo, cameramen Alex Traso, Renato Mulano, Lanzo Blind, Jetro Miguel, Paulo Pablos, and Renzi Medina. First quarter score stands at 19-10. We shall return to the second quarter very swiftly. All right, welcome back. And here are the important greetings for our distinguished guest this afternoon. Of course, yung naka-mint green po sa inyong television screens, it's gonna be the Municipal Mayor, Honorable John Sambo, Municipality Mayor of Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Yung naka-white kanina nakita nyo, that's the Vice Mayor of Santo Tomas, Honorable Matias Pineda. Yung naka-violet, nakita nyo kanina earlier on our screen that we show you. He is the Municipal Councilor of Floridablanca, Honorable Darren Manalasan. As we start the second quarter action, 19-10, my name is Ryan Paro, live and live. Dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, instantly Floridablanca incurred a backcourt violation. Of course, nandito rin in attendance our CEO of Sinag Liga Asia and also the Tournament Commissioner of Delta Cup, Coach Leo Isaac, and also the Marketing Head, Marco Visitacion. Oh, look at that! Neb, shot away, shot block. And Floridablanca on the run. Miss layup, he gets it right back. Ram about 3 defenders. Nilabas muna ang bola. Nice up fake. Perfect release, but it rim out. Mercado clears the board for Santo Tomas. That's going to be a great ball game that we're going to have here for this afternoon. Baseline. Sapal na naman. Second in a row for this guy.
Number 30, Ao. 14 inch.
So the big guys of Floridablanca patrolling and protecting the paint. Hindi makapasok basta-basta ang Santo Tomas. And now they're trailing by 9 points. Almost a turnover with 9 seconds on the shot clock. Lyson, 25-footer off tangent to the left. Slow down offense now for Floridablanca. Lyog inside the paint. The spin. Double team. Gregorio puts it up. It's in!
Number 7.
Timely basket there by Gregorio. 21-10. 11-point cushion. Double-digit spread now for Floridablancans. Mercado fails to cash in the basket. And now Floridablanca in close control in the second quarter. They want to increase the lead further from that 11-point outburst. That pass almost telegraphed. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Gregorio extricates. Hounded by Mercado. Lubas ang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. They need to put it up. Here it comes. Double team. The cut. And Batek was the culprit. He hold Layog on that backdoor cut. Take a look at the slow-mo replay. Kumatsa. Ayun. Hinawakan. Huli yun. That's a foul. Good call by the refs. One team foul for Santo Tomas. That's the first personal by Druid. And a miss by Floridablancans. Almost a turnover. Nice time. Bola na nakaberde. Batak. We're going to receive the inbound from Lyson. Batak brings up the ball for the green shirts. 14 to shoot. Alley-oop play. No, he drops it up to an open teammate. Corner jumper. It's no good. Takbo na ngayon ng Florida Blanca. 1 against 4. Crossover. Lost control of the leader. Everybody is rather mad scramble. And we have some unnecessary tackles. Unnecessary kicks. And referees doing a fine job of taking control. Hey, let's not get this past the horrible confrontation. Take a look at this. Very. Oh!
Everybody is rather mad scramble.
Oh, that deserves a review, huh? All right, here it comes. Let's see that again. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now the referees will decide what will be the call. Let's wait for the announcement. So there is an incidental. Okay. It's going to be number 16 of Florida Blanca. Manuel was called for unsportsmanlike foul. You see that on that replay. He kicked the head.
71 technical foul.
And Mercado was called for the technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior. So Mercado will be called for the unsportsmanlike foul. That's his first personal. And Mercado called for the technical for unsportsmanlike behavior. That will be his third personal. Both teams have one team foul apiece. Because of that altercation, just like on the second game, we have another physical confrontation. Now, referees now in crucial control of this match. And important free throws on the horizon for Florida Blanca. This will be for the technical free throw. He cashed in. That's Orina. Now, free throws for Santo Tomas. 2 free throws. And since this is unsportsmanlike, it will be a ball possession for Santo Tomas with 14 on the shot clock. So that will be the rule by a league referee, Jong Banayat Jr. Here it comes. 2 free throws now for this guy. Sinks the first. So irregardless if he made or missed, the ball possession will be Santo Tomas with 14 on the shot clock. So yun, para malinaw sa ating mga manonood, ano? Alright, 2 free throws made. The official score 22-12 in favor of Florida Blancans. And 14 on the shot clock now for the green shirts of Santo Tomas. Wise thing to do to coaches to rest those persons so that it will not hamper their behavior moving forward. 10 on the shot clock. Batak signaling play number 5. Inside play intercepted by the white shirts of Florida Blancans. Errant pass.
Santo Tomas basketball.
Sabi ng coach ng Florida Blancas, baba kayo, huwag kayo mataranta. Focus lang kayo sa mga plays. Very cool, calm and collected coach of Florida Blanca that we're seeing here. Batak. 13 on the shot clock. And here it comes. Fast break opportunity for Florida Blanca. And he gets an inside foray. That's Serrano. A dozen lead. Suddenly, the Florida Blancans threatening to pull away early in the second quarter. 24-12. 3-point bomb. No explosion. Layog high na rebound. Last touch by the green shirts.
Florida Blanca basketball. Substitution number 10 out.
Alright. Of course, binabati natin ang mga Banayat family. Kevin Banayat, Andrea Nicole Banayat, and Kendria Elise Banayat. Thank you so much for watching Delta Cup as we see another layup scored by Orina. At 14 na kabante ng Florida Blanca with 6 minutes and 25 in the balance sa ating second quarter. Left quarter court 3. Couldn't drill it. At ito na. Unti-unti nagmimitis sa Santo Tomas. Ang momentum talagang nasa Florida Blanca pero nabitawan ng bola from that potential fast break opportunity. At palitan tao for the Blanca. Upo muna si Gregorio. So all 5 players will be replaced. So new 5 on the floor actually for Florida Blanca. And they suited up with 15 players actually. Doesn't lead. 15 to shoot. That pass is wayward. That's too high. Florida Blancans now protecting a 12-point lead. Quickly, the small guy. Pass it on to Malyari. Fall away jumper. Wala. Florida Blancans with a fresh 14. Heads up play, sabi niya. Double pick. Malyari moves out. Back to the guard. 3 to shoot. 3-point. No. Long 2. Wala. Salvador gets the rebound back. Very quick guy on the floor. Drives hard. Start a step. Hand off. Fall away. Yes, sir. That's Alquero. (28-14). Everything seems right for Florida Blancans. Lyson for 3. Finally nails it. It's been a long time coming for Santo Tomas to score a 3-point field goal. Halfway point na tayo sa ating second quarter. Muntik na maagawan. Shovel pass. Malyari right down the base. Pinilit ang tira. Oh, look at that putback. Tenacity of the birds. Alquero once again doing the rescue job. 30-17. 14 to shoot. Here's the cross. Bang bodies. Walang nangyari sa opensa ng Santo Tomas. Momentum clearly on the side of Florida Blanca. 30-17. Salvador now. All right, Salvador drives hard. Nice drop up. That's too strong. Lyson 3-pointer. Ayaw. One crack at time for Santo Tomas. Manansala couldn't drill it. Collis clears the board. There's a triple team. Clamp still in the backcourt. Mad scramble. Oh! Pop. Teka muna. Meron tayong held ball. May foul. Foul lang sabi ni Jong Banayat. It's a foul on number 5. Take a look at this man scramble. Ayun, nakasignal lang referee. It's a foul on Manansala. That's his first personal. And second team foul pass sa Florida Blanca. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Okay. Balik tayo to live action. Another steal for Florida Blanca. The lob pass. Nice catch. Manansala. Hinawi. Offensive foul. Second personal on Manansala.
Number 5, offensive foul. Third personal foul, number 5, substitution.
Check that. That's the third personal on Manansala. Bakers doesn't lead now for Florida Blanca, 30-17. Approaching 3 minutes in the second quarter. Quick ball movement there by Santo Tomas. Still can't make it a 3-pointer. Paano nangyayari dito eh? They live and die in 3-pointers at this stage. 3-point shot. It goes!
Point by number 2.
Dorcuelo dousing cold water on Santo Tomas aspirations. The lead is now ballooned to 16, 33-17.
Three-point shot. It goes!
Two minutes and 50 in the balance sa ating second quarter. Lamang po ng 16 ang Florida Blanca.
Santo Tomas Basketball.
Naghahanap pa rin po ng kasagutan ng Santo Tomas kung paano nilang masosolving ang mga fast breaks ng Florida Blanca at paano nila maiiwasan yung mga turnovers. Yun ang naging sakit sa ulo sa Team Santo Tomas. 12 to shoot, bounce pass right down the baseline, puts it up and in, foul, counted. Yun ang kailangan nilang gawin, yung mga inside plays.
Basket count. Foul number 20. Pushing foul. And 1.
So foul si number 20 ng Florida Blanca at itong si number 77 ay titira. That's Jongson. Rare 3-point play opportunity. He nailed it.
Timeout.
A timely timeout by Florida Blanca. They have a 13-point lead with 2:35 in the second quarter. Meron na naman tayong 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Again, papunta na tayo sa patapit hapon, paggabi. At mamaya pwede ko na sabihin, maya tabengi. Puke kayo. Gandang gabi sa inyo lahat, kumbaga sa Tagalog. Samantala, Florida Blanca continues to stride, pero bitin ang tira ni Dorcuelo from 3-point territory. Here's the fast break opportunity. Wasted para sa Santo Tomas. Tumatakbo ang mga nakaputi sa Florida Blanca pero tinapon na naman nila ang bola and instant foul given up by Dorcuelo.
Foul number 2. Pushing foul.
That's the 14th foul or penalty situation na. Ang Florida Blanca na unang foul pa lamang yan ni Dorcuelo. At si Gomez sablay sa kanyang first free throw. Parehong mintis.
2 out of 2.
33-20. 2 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Lopez from the corner. The handoff. Nabitawan. And Jongson, tinawagan ng foul. Gusto sana makalusot ni number 11 pero hinarangan siya.
7-7. Pushing foul.
The
Tignan
handoff.
natin doon sa instant replay. Woo! Kitang-kita mo yung mangga doon.
And Jongson.
Pero hindi problema yan. May pasok ang unang free throw ni Alvero. He's been in a tremendous physical shape. Yun nga lang, di pumasok yung pangalawang free throw. A minute and 45 in the second quarter. The lead is 14. Ikot ang bola sa kaliwang bahagi. Time to shoot. It's going to be a traveling. (34-20). The lead is 14 para sa Florida Blanca. T-shirt play, sabi ni Salvador. Kumat si Doruelo, hindi nila mahanap. 12 to shoot, Malyari sa kanang bahagi ng court. Hoy! Thank you. Hawakan ko sana yung bola eh. Ayun, turnover. Babalik ang bola sa Santo Tomas. A minute and 34 in the balance sa ating second quarter. Mahiti quickly. Pasahan sila from right to left. Collis, palpal sa loob. Inabangan.
Substitution.
Another great defensive stance for Florida Blanca. Denying Collis an inside track to the basket.
24-20-16.
1:20 remaining before we call it halftime. In this fifth game of 6, Salvador nakalusot. Naawa at pumasok. Si Salvador talagang spark plug para sa Florida Blanca upang makaalago sila sa 16 na puntos na lamang. 55 seconds remaining sa second quarter. Uli dun si Doruelo. Nalaga siya ng foul.
Number 6 out. Number 2 out. Number 2, second personal foul.
Free throw is good para kay Gomez. 36-21, 54 seconds remaining. Bago tayo mag-halftime, mga kaibigan. Dalawa ang naibuslo ni Gomez. 36-22. So Santo Tomas limited to just 22 points. And we're about to end the first half. That's about 20 minutes of playing time. And they only got 20 points. That's how valuable for Florida Blanca in limiting their opponent's point production. Nakalusot si Salvador from the press break. Ito na ang Florida Blanca. Foul na naman si Chongson. Boys, this guy Salvador wreaking havoc.
77, second personal.
Even the little guy can do the best damage when it's needed. Dalawang free throw po para sa Florida Blanca. One more free throw. Inaawa, Zapata clears the board. First appearance for Zapata in this ball game. Ikot ng bola sa kaliwang bahagi. Gomez. Mahiti. Play number 1. 10 on the shot clock. Pulta sa kaliwang bahagi. Mahiti, the drop off. Oh, hitting the deck. Finding the basket. At hindi magsasayang ang Florida Blanca to call their last time out in the first half, and they lead by 15, 37-22, 17.8 in the second quarter. (17.8 seconds remaining. 37-22. And so far, the Florida Blancans continue to dominate and continue to assert himself. 19 made so far. limiting their opponents to just 22 points. Final 11 seconds. Baseline drive. The handoff. He should have scooped for a layup.
8.5 seconds. 8.5 seconds.
8.5 seconds remaining in the second quarter. A turnover there. Down to 5 seconds. Down to 3 seconds. Here's a foul from three-point country at the buzzer.
That's a foul.
How about that?
Foul. Number 7, pushing foul.
Surprise hit by Lyson. Has a license to shoot. Look at this.
Down to 3 seconds.
From the left corner, quarter court.
It's a foul from
Game clock expired plus a foul.
Second.
And a 4-point play completed.
Down to 3
That
seconds.
Gives an 11-point deficit pag sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. What a highlight. 37-26, Floridablanca ahead by 11. We'll be right back for our second half action of your Delta Cup. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start the second half. Pakikita muna namin sa inyo ang mga highlights ng ating first half of action. Dito nagsimula ang run ng Florida Blanca with a sidestep beauty by Salvador, the smallest kind of floor. Ito yung ilan sa mga 3-point shots na na-convert ng Santo Tomas. Yan ay nangyari sa first quarter. Pero no second quarter, wala silang na-score ng 3-point shot until on that last shot kanina. Ito yung last attempt na sinasabi ko. Na-foul. Counted at the buzzer pa. Yan ay si number 2, Lyson. Could that be the spark that they needed going to the second half of action? Now, pasadaan natin ang ating mga top scores for both teams. Salvador, para sa Florida Blanca, got 7. Sorry, it's not Arquero, it's Arquero with 5 points. Of course, for Santo Tomas, Lyson with 6 points with that 4-point play. And Chongson, jersey number 77 with 5 points. So, abangan natin kung sino pa yung iba pa mga players sa magkabilang kumpunan ang magte-take over ng scoring, and we still have one more game to play after this. And after that, that will conclude our whole day of Sunday broadcast on our first Sunday of November dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center sa pagpapatuloy ng Delta Cup. In just a few moments, we'll start the second half. We'll be right back. Alright, muli nagpapabati ang ating isa sa mga referees natin, si John Banayat Jr. Binabati niya ang kanyang mga family, Kevin Banayat, Andrea Nicole Banayat, and Kendria and Liz Banayat. And let's see if Santo Tomas can come back from this 9-point deficit after a rare 4-point play conversion by Lyson at the end of this quarter. Again, the score stands at 37-28. Florida Blanca ahead by 9. Welcome to the second half of basketball action. My name po, si Ryan Pajaro. Live na live po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga for the continuing coverage of the Delta Cup. Powered by the provincial government of Pampanga, headed by no less than our Honorable Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Live na live din po tayo sa Pampanga Public Information Office and also to the Facebook page of Sinag Liga Asia and in YouTube. Turnover. Ito na Santo Tomas launching the offensive. They're trailing by just 9 points. Low post play. Mercado sizing up. Nice up fake. Bitin ang kanyang tira. Great defensive stance by Layug. Salvador nagtitimon. 15 to shoot. Salvador goes left. Baseline. Number 25. Tumira. Ando Jures, ha? Serrano. Nakagawa ng paraan. 39-28. Sidestep move. Does not prevail. Dalawang tao nasa sahig. Ngayon tatlo. It's gonna be a hell ball. Sabi ni referee Jong Banayat Jr. And the possession now pointed to Florida Blanca. Nag-aabang na po ang Team Lubao. Nakita ko na sila sa likod. Bounce pass. Layo converts. Great play by Serrano. Great find. 4-point cluster to start the third quarter para sa Florida Blanca. 8:37 remaining. Banging bodies there. Yan. Instant foul given up by Salvador. That's his first personal. Gomez will inbound from the sideline. Left dribble by Gomez. Nilabas muna. Nadapa si Mahilang. Drop pass Serrano. Serrano umangat. Ang kanyang pasa sa kanyang kakampi. Tiongson, apart from stepping from the baseline, natawagan din sila ng 3-second violation. Double block yan para sa Santo Tomas. Ito na si Lightning Quick Salvador. Sidestep once again. Muntik nang pumasok kanyang tira. Alam niyo, pag pumasok ang tira, sasabihin niya kay Mercado, anong height mo? Baseline drive by Layog. Nasarhan ng pintuan. At ang bola lumabas. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Santo Tomas.
Number 26.
Magandang punto dito sa Santo Tomas, mga kabalin, ay hinihigpit na nila yung depensa, pero sa opensa medyo unsuccessful sila sa mga nakaraang play except dun sa tira ni Lyson. Siguro pwede nilang gawa ng paraan na makatira ng marami sa labas. Ito, low post play, looking for cutters. Ito ang drive sa loob, nabitawan na naman, fast break na naman, nakaputi. Salvador umangat. A flyby by Salvador gives them a 15-point cushion, and the coaching staff of Santo Tomas has seen enough. They're down by 15.
Drive sa loob. Nabitawan na naman. Fast break na naman, nakaputi.
To the body.
Alright, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. At halos lahat ng mga kababayan natin ay pauwi na ng kanilang galing sa bakasyon papuntang Maynila. And 15-point edge right now para sa Floridablanca, 42-28. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 30. Ito ngayon yung Santo Tomas. Outside offense, Mahiti, muntik yung mabitawan ng bola. Dala pa, sobra. Hindi niya inaasahan yun. Salvador, nakipit. Salvador, nagawa ng paraan. Takbong Marino si Salvador. Outside sniping. Does not fall in the place. Yun nga lang. Nako, may tulak.
Foul number 25.
At tinawagan ng foul laban sa Floridablanca, si Serrano.
Personal foul.
Pangalawang foul ni Serrano. Take a look at this box out. Ayun. Siya pa tinamaan, pero huli na referee sa a shove, a foul. Santo Tomas possession. Nahihirapan silang umiscore. Si Lyson pa lamang nakaka-score on the second quarter pataas. Ito na, Lyson, the runner. Umalog palabas. Tayog clears the board para sa Floridablanca. Serrano, natawagan ng traveling.
Substitution number 2 foul. 7 points. That's best team.
Balasan ng tao dito ang Santo Tomas dahil medyo napako sila sa 28, di sila makaalagwa. Silvestre, bagong pasok para sa Santo Tomas. Ikot ang bola sa kaliwang bahagi. Only 10 on the shot clock. Mercado, nakipit. Pukol sa ilalim, hindi pumasok. Yan ang naging istorya ng laro. Hirap na hirap umisko ng Santo Tomas sa loob sa magandang depensa na nakaputi na Floridablanca. Salvador dancing. Layo picks the ball up. 10 na lamang sa shot clock. Nice pass inside the paint. Look at Layog trading the eye and showing to the bench. I have the assist, man. 45-28. Tatlong team fouls na ang Floridablanca. Clean slate pa rin ng Santo Tomas. 3-point shot. Partially deflected. Ito, si Layog nakakuha na naman ng rebound. He has been a defensive workhorse. Salvador. Serrano. Sapal sa kanyang 3-point attempt. Tumatakbo ngayon ang Santo Tomas. Rare fast break opportunity at hindi sinayang yan ni Mahiti. Chops down the lead of Florida Blanca sa 15. 45-30. Salvador drops it off. And another case of traveling.
Mercado out.
So back-to-back traveling errors para sa Florida Blanca.
Salvador.
Take a look at this replay.
Drop through.
Yes, he shuffled his feet. Kitang-kita ang traveling.
And another case of
5:05 remaining, third quarter. Ikot ang bola ang Santo Tomas. Silvestre momentarily open. Chongson, nako! Hulis ng referee. Kinuyog ang kaliwang kamay papunta sa chest ng sa player, and Chongson was called for his foul. So they say it is the third personal on Chongson. It's still a 15-point deficit para sa Santo Tomas. Medyo nahirapan silang umabol dahil napakaliksi itong Florida Blanca. Salvador, titira ng 3. Kamuntik nang pumasok. Coris nakakuha ng rebound. Ito na si Mahiti. Libre sa 3. Maniti, malakas. Takbo si Serrano. Fast break opportunity. Salvador has been running berserk. This guy is an energizer. No question about that. And Layog providing the defensive shield for Florida Blanca, and Salvador has been a offensive machine.
Third personal foul.
Woo! Take a look at this.
7
Tikit na sample ni Layog. And the Salvador Hustle really rob up his teammates
for Florida.
of his well-timed plays and well-timed leaps. Serrano deserves a rest. Oh, sabi ni Coach, pahinga muna kayo. Sa fourth quarter, gagamitin ko kayo. And he has a luxury of doing so. With 4 minutes remaining, they're up by 17, 47-30. Only 30 points for Santo Tomas. They have an offensive drought. And let's see if Collis can change the complexion. Second stingers na to sa Florida Blanca. Oh! Layog says not Binoy House. Pangalawang sapal in the two offensive thrust.
Number 0. 13 out. Number 7.
Layog reminds me of Arwin Santos. He has been the Spider-Man, being the defensive anchor. And we have a foul away from the play.
Number 11.
Alquero is the culprit.
Number 11. Third personal foul.
So pangatlong foul na yan ni Alquero. It's a 14 foul for Florida Blanca, only 2 for Santo Tomas. 3:40 left sa third quarter. There's a pick. Paredes ganging up. Almost lost control. He picks the ball up. Oh, look at this. Man scramble. 2 players hitting the deck. And an instant foul given up by Lopez.
Foul. Number 20. Number 20.
So this is the advantage that Santo Tomas can take chance of it, because penalty na po ang Florida Blanca. So every free throw counts for Santo Tomas for the comeback aspirations.
Pumasok.
May pasok ang unang free throw. 47-31. Split. Layog controls the paint, controls the board for Florida Blanca. Layog spots. Didn't get it. Chance for Santo Tomas to trim down the deficit. Here's the 3 ball. Air ball. Chongson, thank you. Via reverse. 47-33. Babasa 14 ang abante. Ang Florida Blanca with 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Under 3 minutes. Layog looking for cutter. Lopez can shake off its defender. And we have a illegal pick.
Number 20, illegal pick.
It's gonna be offensive foul on number 20. So, dalawa lang silang tatlong fouls para sa Florida Blanca. O tatlo. Malansala, Alquero, and number 20.
Number 20 out.
So, unti-unti ang Florida Blanca nakakamigwit na ng mga foul troubles. 2 minutes and 39 left. Third quarter action. We're now on the penultimate game of this 6-game broadcast. After this, we're going to have a main game. Here's the three-point shot. Top of the key. Ayaw. Look at Layog. Soaring high for the rebound. Serrano. Bad pass. 2-on-1 fast break. Mercado converts.
Number 8.
Lead is down to 12. 47-35. 2 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. 10 to shoot. Baseline. That defensive stance by Santo Tomas worked in their favor.
Substitution. Serrano. Salvador.
So, unti-unti ang starters ng Florida Blanca ay ini-insert na ng kanilang coach. 4-minute rest. Okay, that will be a bad spell on the mouth on Santo Tomas. One player is down due to cramps. (47-35). The lead is 12 now for Florida Blanca. 14 to shoot. Low post play. Nabitawan. Fast break again. Alfredo lays it up. Foul. Tawagan si Mercado.
Foul number 8. Hit the door. 26 out. Unready.
Alfaro will shoot 2 free throws from the free throw line. 12-point Florida Blanca lead. Make that 13.
Pasok.
14 points.
Substitution.
49-35.
Comes on now.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. We still have 10 minutes of playing time after this. Doon natin madidetermine kung gigil ba ang Santo Tomas manalo o kontento na sila dito. Sidestep move didn't produce any. Produced nothing. Salvador dancing around. Here's Alfaro. Left quarter court 3. Rims out. Fierce battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng white shirts. Alfaro, bang bodies, natumba. It's going to be a foul.
Foul number 75, pushing foul. Number 75, third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Chris battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng white.
14 on the shot clock.
Alfaro, bang bodies, natumba. It's gonna be
6 on the shot clock. Nagipit sa ilalim. And another case off. Traveling. Less than a minute remaining, mga kaibigan, sa ating third quarter. 53.7, 49-35. 14 ang hinahabol ng Santo Tomas. Let's see if they can hit fader. No fader. Salvador gets the highs. Salvador, lightning quick. Scoring at will. What a ball game by Salvador. 51-35. Hang time move by Mercado. Draws a foul for Maquero. That will be his 4th personal.
Foul number 11, hit the door, 2 shot. Warning for foul now.
Ayun, nagtaktak na si
Penalty. situation.
Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez, 4 na ang foul ni Alquero. Just one more and he will be in exile on this game. Mercado, Mintis. At yan ang mga officials na binati natin kanina. Ulitin natin in no particular order for the benefit of our viewers who just tuned in for tonight. Yung naka-green, mint green na nakita nyo sa screen kanina, that's Honorable John Sambo, the Municipal Mayor of Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Yung naka-white na nakita nyo sa screen, that's the Vice Mayor of Santo Tomas, Honorable Matias Pineda. At yung naka-violet, Municipal Councilor of Floridablanca, Honorable Darren Manalasan. Final 21 seconds in the third quarter. Salvador will waste away the time. He wants a clear out. Sabi niya, idol niya si Jason Castro. And great crossover by Salvador. And a great defensive stance there.
Santo Tomas basketball, 6.7 seconds.
By Mercado, 6.7 remaining. Down to 5, down to 4, down to 3. Here's the three-point shot, top of the key, short. And that will do it. Third quarter is history. 51 for Floridablanca. 36 for Santo Tomas. And of course, patiin din natin ang mga magigiting na production team natin dito sa Delta Cup. Headed by Direct Alden Alejo, cameraman Alex Trazo, Renato Balong Molano, Lance Sublay, Jetro Miguel, Renzi Medina, Luis Manabat, and Paulo Pablos. Fourth quarter coming up after this. Balik po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Kayo po ay nanonood ng live coverage ng Delta Cup. The Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages, Pampanga Public Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page. My name is Ryan Paro doing the call. Lyson from the baseline, tumira, slightly deflected by Manuel. Tumatakbo, tumitimon ang Floridablanca. The finger wall didn't work. Got a fast break for Santo Tomas. Okay, magsasettle lang sila sa half-court offense. Kaya pa ito, 16 points. They just have to believe themselves that they can come back. Pero meron tayong foul away from the play. Ang ating referee sisignal ng foul laban kay Manuel. It is a blocking foul.
Second personal foul, number 16.
Okay, that's a second personal foul. Here's the shot. Bitin. Pressure is on. They almost got a steal. Meron pa silang 14 seconds on the shot clock. The manufacturer play para sa Floridablanca. They lead by 16. Finding a pass inside. Nice play. Oh, what a play. Pero, teka muna. Sabi ng referee.
Foul number 6.
Meron tayong foul. Akala natin great play na pero wisely nag-foul agad ang Santo Tomas.
Number 6.
At si number 6 ng Santo Tomas already got his fourth personal. Mintis doon ang nakaputi, ang Floridablanca. Gomez from the right wing, momentarily open, goes right. Step back, Jay. Pumasok.
Number 30.
Mabasa 14 ang abante ng Floridablanca. Salvador controlling the tempo of this game. Babasa 10-second shot clock. The coach of Santo Tomas is flabbergasted. Walang masyadong defensive movement. Pero may agaw dito ang Santo Tomas. Here it comes. Fast break. Lyson converts. And the momentum now slightly on Santo Tomas. A timely timeout by Floridablanca to stop the bleeding. 8:18 remaining. The score is 52-40. Floridablanca. We see some highlights of this last bit of action.
Lyson converts. Gomez.
Back to the ball game.
8 minutes and 18 left. Yung coach ng Floridablanca tell them to calm themselves. Alam natin itong Santo Tomas. Kung bumalapit sila dito. Okay. Almost a steal. 3-point shot. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound Santo Tomas. Don't look now. This is just a 12-point lead. Here's the drive. Lyson, three-pointer. He got it! And ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game. 9-point deficit. 8 straight points. That shot will not count. There's a foul before that.
Foul number 2.
At si Lyson ang tinawagan ng foul. Two free throws now for Serrano. Missed the first. Yung Porak nag-aanda na. They are the main game for tonight. Maya Pabengi po mga kabalin. Both free throws miss. Santo Tomas controls the board. There's some trap on the backcourt. They get it. He almost traveled. And Collins scored for traveling. Fresh 14 for Floridablanca. And the crowd's chanting defense for Santo Tomas. They need a defensive stop right now. They're down by 9 points. Maraming kiskisan sa paint. Here's the drive. And another case of traveling. Alam mo, Vitran, at nag-travel tayo talaga, no? Mula Maynila hanggang Pampanga at travel tayo muli pabalik. Mamaya after this broadcast. 52-43. Time down to 7 minutes and a half in this basketball game, ha? Alalahanin nyo, bukas magko-cover pa ako ng 5 pa sa ISAA powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Oh, another case of traveling. Third straight traveling error for both squads, ha? Okay, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Sabi ng Floridablanca, lamang tayo ng 9. Huwag magpanik. Starter step number 25. The scoop shot didn't work. Ball goes out. Babalik ang bola sa Santo Tomas. Alam niyo, may mga players dito ng Floridablanca nakakaramdam na ng pressure. And we're just 7 minutes remaining. And it's still an eternity of basketball ahead of us. All Santo Tomas need is another figure, and Lyson can have this on the silver platter. Lyson, the cut. Collis was fouled, and he will take 2 shots. Great find there by Lyson. All right, it's a foul on number 12 on Floridablanca. Let's see that again in slow-mo.
Lyson.
Ang gandang lusot.
The cut.
Ayun. Nasundot. May foul.
Was fouled.
That's Reyes' first personal. Free throw. It's good. And so far, Lyson has been the spark plug for Santo Tomas. Made ball. Collis. This is just a 7-point game, mga kabalin. 7th game or 5th game of 6. 2 of the 4 games earlier is close. And a step on the line by Serrano.
Santo Tomas basketball.
So the fourth quarter momentum is clearly on the side of the green shirts of Santo Tomas. At ibabalik na ni head coach ang usual starters. Layog and Salvador, the Matt and Jeff combination para sa Florida Blanca. There's a foul by Salvador. That's only the second personal by Salvador. Handshake foul.
Second personal foul.
And the referees are calling it tight because they expect a close encounter of the third kind. Dahil yung dalawang laro kanina, dikit din. Yung isa come from behind pa. And another case for Lyson off. Traveling. Napakaraming traveling errors po, mga kaibigan. 52-45. Another costly error there for Santo Tomas. Salvador could shake off his defender. Magandang depensa pinuputa. Orina. Bounce pass. And Salvador was slapped with another offensive foul. And that's his third personal.
Number 12. Okay. Coach ng Santo Tomas. Warning for
No.
Florida Blanca, sorry. Correction. Warning for entrapment against the goal.
Okay, Florida Blanca, the team, has called for the warning for improper bench decorum. 6:20 to go in the fourth quarter. Another foul on Florida Blanca.
Number 20.
And Lopez can't believe it. That's his fourth
For foul down.
on Lopez.
Penalty.
At ito pa. Lahat ng quarters ng Florida Blanca, ito game story natin, lahat ng quarters ng Florida Blanca, umentra sila sa penalty situation. So, tingnan natin kung makakapitalize yan ng Santo Tomas. Hindi, Mahiti mintis sa kanyang free throw. So, majority of the players wilt under pressure. He missed both, rather. The lead is 7. 6:11 remaining in the fourth quarter. And that's a foul on Mahiti.
Number 13. Foul.
13 to shoot. Oy. Another foul spotted. The referees are calling it airtight. It's a second foul on Mercado. It's already the 14th foul on Santo Tomas. So next fouls will be free throws on either team. 14 on the shot clock. Low post play. Inaatrasan. Here's the spin. Here's the hook by Layog. Wala. Great defensive stance by Collis. Mahiti hinihingi ng bola. He's not open. Mercado for 3. Offline. Put back. He got it. The lead is 5. Hang time more. Wow. Beautiful play by Lopez. Dousing cold water on those rally aspirations by Santo Tomas. Mercado lost it again. Counter steal by Santo Tomas. Mercado drives hard. Hang time. Oh, it's a foul. Salvador can't believe it. Salvador can't believe it. And that's his fourth personal foul. Direk, can we have a replay of that last foul by Salvador? Tingnan natin kung may foul nga. Let's see that again in slow-mo.
Both teams are penalty situation.
Yung huling drive ni number 8 Mercado. Ito na mga kaibigan. Hop, teka. Sabay-sabay isa pa. Yan, look at this. There is a block but may contact sa kamay. May contact sa kamay. Tama ang tawag ng ating referee. Good call. Okay, ito na. Mercado takes a deep breath. They're only up, down by 7. Bungled that opportunity. See the green load with the play. Sabi niya, sayang. He will try again for this second attempt. He did it. 7 points separating these ball clubs. Halfway point, final quarter, 5-5. Crossover, rejected. Sapal ni Collis. Upo muna si Hipólito. Inside shot, no good. Great defensive stance by Collis. Exactly 5 minutes left in this ball game. This is just a 7-point game. Lison, he has a license to shoot. Zapata offers a pick. Lison for 3, banks it out. He gets the ball back. Collis moves out from the corner. Low post play. Lost it. Fast break for the White Shirts. Salvador, counter steal. Wide and woolly play. And here's Zapata. Sapa nilayog. Intense fourth quarter action mga kaibigan. This is just the penultimate game. Shadowing shot clock. And Santo Tomas scores time. 4:27 remaining. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Kapit mga kabalin, 4 minutes and 27, 7-point ball game para sa Florida Blanca. Naghahabol dito ang Santo Tomas, 18 on the shot clock. They got the possession. Looking for cutters. There's a tap. Lopez drops it up. Salvador scores the basket. And the coach is upset. The referee halts play. Possible technical will be slapped on the coach of Santo Tomas. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Okay, that could have been a foul, but it's a let-go situation. So the head coach of Santo Tomas calls for a technical foul for continuous complaining at the 4:18 mark of the fourth quarter. He needs to temper his flair. And free throws po para sa Florida Blanca. He gets it to go. 10 ang abante ng Florida Blanca. For Santo Tomas, they need 5 baskets and not allowing Florida Blanca to score. Okay, danda binababa ang bola ng Santo Tomas. They're looking for cutters. They're looking at 3-pointer. Lyson can get it! Ayan na si Lyson. He has the license to shoot. And he has 10 points right now. He's been the spark plug of this franchise. Great defensive jams there. And Lopez was called for traveling. Defensive stop right there. Now, the green shirts need an offensive onslaught, just like what Lyson did, a 3-point bomb explosion. 3:45 remaining. Here's the drive all the way. And Layog was surprised. He was fouled. It's a pushing foul.
Number 26, second personal foul.
So that's the second foul on Layog.
The drive all the way.
Take a look at this in slow-mo.
And Layog was surprised.
2 important free throws for Mahiti. 6-point game, 57-51. Coming up next, it's going to be Lubao versus Porac, our main game for tonight. Still a 6-point game. Layog clamps down the rebound. 3:35 remaining. Here's the drive. Lays it up and in. No challenge. 6-point cluster for Florida Blanca. Santo Tomas hanging on to the coattails of the white shirts. Mercado couldn't pull the trigger. Lyson can shoot it. No. Rebound. Nice up fake. It's a bucket there by Tiongson. Great offensive stick back there by Tiongson. The lead is 6. 2 minutes and 55 remaining the balance in this basketball game. Almost a turnover. Ball slap away.
Florida Blanca basket.
And the white shirts of Florida Blanca will get that possession with 19 on the shot clock. Down to 15. Here's the spin. Here's the curl. Salvador misses. Ball is loose. Eto na, pagkakataon makalapit. Ang Santo Tomas! Wala! Rebound. Nakuha ni Zapata. May foul. May foul. May foul.
Foul, number 12. Pushing foul. Number 12. Second
Wala.
personal foul.
At si Reyes ang tinawagan ng foul.
May foul. May foul.
So penalty na po. Pagkakataon muli na Santo Tomas na makalapit. This is just a 6-point game. Zapata can make it 4. Rims out the first. Alam nyo, it will haunt Santo Tomas. Ang dami nilang pagkakataon sa free throw line pero hindi nila sinasamantala. Split. 5-point game. 59-54. The official tally is 59-54. It's 54. Kailangan nilang baguhin yung scoreboard, ha? Offensive foul. Offensive foul.
11. Offensive foul.
Yan ang tamang score natin. 59-54.
Number 11. Foul out.
So offensive foul. At si Alberon tinawagan ng foul and he bows out of the game. 2:24 remaining. We are approaching the twilight zone. Kapit Kabalen. Another close encounter. Lyson, 20-footer, banks it in. 59-56. Lyson has been the catalyst of this comeback, and here's the driving layup. Yes, sir. Last 2 minutes. 61-56. Timely basket. Bounce pass, Chongson. Shopping around, Mercado. Mercado for 3. Offline. Si Lyson sana ang titira. Kaya nang hinahin siya, bakit ka tumira? Akong mainit. 61-56. 5-point game. Oh, titira si number 13. Wala. Oh, look at that offensive rebound. Fresh 14. Salvador heads up play. Sabi niya, goes left. And a foul given up by Chongson. That will put free throws for Salvador.
Number 8 out.
Or in the second personal on Chongson. Dalawang free throws po para kay Salvador. First free throw is good.
Thomasian. Warning for foul out.
A split. Slim chance for the green shirts to come back. A minute and 10 remaining. Baseline. No, put back. Yes. The lead is just 4. One minute to play. Another foul given up by Johnson. Penalty situation in effect.
Foul number 77. Lucky foul. Number 77. Foul down.
And Johnson just fouled out of the game. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Now, number 13 player will shoot 2 free throws. And he rattles out the first free throw. May pag-asa pa. This is just a 4-point game. A shade under a minute. 59.6. 5-point game. 63-58. Lyson has the hottest guy on the floor. And into the re-hit check by the defenders here. There's some pushing and shoving. No call. Faking a foul warning against number 20. 3-point shot. Wala. So it's a warning on Lopez for faking a foul. Ito, atake si number 13. Blanca. Rebound. Nakuha ng Green. And another foul given up.
Foul number 26.
And Layog will be called.
Third personal foul.
Tatlong fouls na si Layog.
38.6 seconds.
All important free throws. Yan, kitang-kita sa ating replay yung bangga. Zapata can trim this down to just 1 possession. And those free throws will haunt them. A lot of missed free throws for Santo Tomas. May halong pagod at may halong pressure. He missed both. Okay.
Santo Tomas basketball.
Bola mananatili sa San Tomas. Here's the inbound. Looking for cutters. Here we go from the corner. Handoff. Mahiti. Lyson. 14 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. The dish off. Collis scores the basket.
Timeout. Florida Blanca.
And Florida Blanca
6.4 seconds.
will still have timeout, and we're not gonna take over. We're gonna hang on to the air dahil 26.4 seconds na lamang. So, sa ating mga kabalin, again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok. We still have one more game, but we really enjoy our 6-game broadcast from morning till night. And now we're about to close this broadcast on our final game for tonight. It's gonna be Lubao versus Porac. But we need to settle things first of this ball game. Game reset. Both teams in penalty. Both teams had one more timeout remaining. Florida Blanca versus Santo Tomas. Florida Blanca with a 3-point edge. And they have the possession. So Santo Tomas up not to foul because this is just 14 seconds on the shot clock. All they need to do is to put a defensive stop. No foul. Here's the inbound. Layug. Number 20, double team. 9 on the shot clock. They don't need to foul. 5 to shoot. Salvador drops it up. Layug, no! 1 on the shot clock. It's a traveling area shot clock violation, and there's a slim chance for Santo Tomas to come back. 11.6. That's what you call a defensive stop. That's what you call a defensive stop. Another nail biter dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 11.6. Now, what's important here for Santo Tomas, get screen wall plays and have Lyson open. He's the hottest guy on the floor since the first half. He's been consistently hitting threes. And if he does so, then you know what will happen next. I'm not gonna say it. Isususpense namin kayo. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari on the last 11 seconds. What will be the offensive pattern of Santo Tomas. Again, our last game for tonight. Nag-aabang na ang Porac at Lubao. And ayan si Tournament Commissioner Coach Leo Isaac watching at ringside. Alright, Kapit Kabalin. Tabla talo to. Yan ang mangyayari po. Lyson will inbound from the sideline. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Here we go. Santo Tomas, they need a 3-point shot. They're looking for a cutter. Nowhere to go. Only 6. 5 seconds. Here's the pick. Lyson, let's apply for the corner. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ng Florida Blanca. 1.3 seconds. 1.3 seconds. Can you imagine if that Lyson shot went all net? Boy.
Timeout.
So ubusin na ng Florida Blanca ang kanilang timeout with only 1.3 seconds remaining. Woo! Now, Florida Blanca, all they need to do is to make at least one free throw. Should they miss both, do not foul. Yon, do not foul on any player. Let the Santo Tomas players rebound and put up a desperate heave from the backcourt. Here's the free throws now for Florida Blanca. Icing on the cake, ladies and gentlemen. Icing on the cake. (64-60). And that should do it. Florida Blanca escapes to the tune of 64-60. The player who has been intense all game long, providing the quarterbacking, providing all the leadership, and providing the steadiness, lightning quickness, Salvador is my unanimous choice of the best player of the ball game. We'll be right back for my interview with Salvador in just a moment. Again, final score natin, 64-60. Florida Blanca escapes with a 4-point win. It's a 4 points quicker, 64-60. Nakalusot ang Florida Blanca over the mighty Santo Tomas. Harvey Salvador, our best player of the ballgame. Harvey, dun sa huling tira ni Lyson, anong pakiramdam mo? Baka papasok ba?
Kala ko nga po papasok kaya challenge ko ng maayos.
Well, sa mga games na to, lalo-lalo na on the first quarter, nag-play ka ng tempo, marami kang mga shots, but
Makukuha po yan sa training. Lalong-lalo na sa turo ng aming coach.
alright, Harvey Salvador, dahil gabing-gabi na, best player of the ballgame ka, nandyan ang camera, pwede ka na bumate.
Maraming salamat sa mga teammates at coaches ko. Shoutout sa mga pamilya ko at tropa. At sa jowa ko at sa coach namin sa Asel. Yun lang.
Alright, dagal sa kalamat kay kayo, Harvey Salvador, best player of the ballgame. 7 games down, 1 more game, our main game for tonight, Lubao versus Porac.